Let me be honest with you, if you are trading Forex right now, then there is 90% chance that you are losing money. Not because you are stupid, not because Forex is a scam, but because you are doing the exact opposite of what profitable traders are doing. In this video, I'll break down why 90% of traders fail, and more importantly, what the 10% do differently. If you really want to win in Forex, don't skip this video. The first reason 90% of traders fail or lose money is motivation. Most people enter Forex because they want fast money. They saw profit on social media. They think Forex is easy. They want to escape financial pressure quickly. That mindset is already a problem. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill-based business. When you rush profits, you rush mistakes. Profitable traders don't ask, how fast can I make money? They ask, how do I survive long enough to get good? No real trading plan. Here is the truth most traders won't accept. If you don't have a trading plan, you are gambling. 90% of traders enter trades randomly, change strategies weekly, trade based on emotions, don't know why they won or lost. A profitable trader knows when to enter, when to exit, how much to risk, when not to trade. If you can't explain your strategy in simple words, you don't have one. Poor risk management. This is where accounts die. Most losing traders risk too much per trade, chase losses, overtrade, try to recover fast. One bad week wipes them out. Profitable traders think differently. They say, protect capital first, profits come later. They risk small, they accept losses, they stay in their game. Remember this, you don't need big wins, you need consistency. Emotional trading and overtrading. Let's be real. Forex exposes your emotions, fear, greed, ego, revenge. 90% of traders trade out of boredom, trade after losses, trade without setups, break their own rules. The market doesn't punish bad strategies, it punishes emotional traders. The 10% wait, they are patient, they trade less, not more. No journal, no review, no growth. Here is another painful truth. If you don't journal your trades, you are repeating the same mistakes. Losing traders never review trades. Blame the market, blame brokers, blame news. Winning traders review weekly, track mistakes, improve execution, fix psychology. Growth comes from awareness, not hope. Now let's talk about what the 10% do differently. Remember what we mentioned are the mistake traders who fail actually do. Now let's talk about what separates the 10% from failing traders. They focus on process, not money. Master one strategy, risk properly, accept losses, journal consistently, stay patient. They understand this rule. Forex reward discipline, not desperation. They don't try to win every day. They try to execute correctly. Now, let's talk about how you can move from the failing traders into the 10%. Listen carefully, because this part is very important, and this is why we are here today. If you are new to this channel, my name is Lamidi Sikira, and if you're enjoying my content, kindly leave a comment below, share with your friend, and also hit on that subscribe button. If you want to escape the 90%, start here. Trade one strategy only. Risk 1% or less per trade. Stop over trading. Journal every trade. Focus on consistency, not profit. Do this long enough and results will follow. There is no shortcut, just structure. Most traders fail because they quit too early or trade without discipline. Be patient, be structured, be consistent. I'll see you in the next video. Trade safe.